We were actually doing it the hard way, but now with the Golden Engineering Studio, it makes it easier. We've been a customer since 2016, and what brought me in originally was that we didn't have any network mapping. And that was one of the features with NetBrain that we were able to utilize and just capture how our layout of our network was. So that was the beginning for us. And then the change management module came in because we had a lot of changes being made on the network without any, accountability. So that helped us out with that too as well. We've been upgrading our network, moving from a Cisco environment to moving to some of the equipment that we have that's antiquated equipment, that are TDM equipment, old Cisco equipment, and moving from that environment to a full Ethernet connection, Ethernet environment for our network. And so the challenges has been doing the upgrades and making sure that all the configs are consistent among all the devices. We have some iOS XR equipment that we have that's different from the Cisco iOS XC equipment. So making sure that the vulnerabilities and the compatibility between all the iOSs are working. I wanted to see what the new product was, and I want to stay on top of all the new variations of what NetBrain can offer to my company so that we can take care of some of the problems that we have in our network. I think device meeting all the different people and discovering some of the issues that they have that's related to some of the issues that I'm experiencing. So you learn that you're with a group of people that has tackled some of that issues and gaining that knowledge, and then going through the demos and working with all the different NetBrain engineers to show you what's going on and how to use the tool correctly. Our teams sometimes work in silos, and because of the psychology sometimes of the old mentality of being in the CLI, now they can see this feature where they can actually type in what they want naturally and get the output that they want instead of having to go into the CLI. The guys who have the less experience on the network, they can use it and discover what they need to do to pass it on to the next tier. That's one of the biggest ones. I just finished the class, just now the track 3 with the Golden Engineering Studio. Pramada Lou, who's our automation engineer, he's been helping us out. We were actually doing it the hard way, but now with the Golden Engineering Studio, it makes it easier. So we're looking forward to using that tool to help us. I actually introduced the tool to CenterPoint, and I'm trying to get it to go because we have a number of different departments and teams. Like I said, I work for the transport department. And so that transport team is kind of like the middleman between enterprise and our substation team. So the substation team has adopted NetBrain and collaborating with them in getting some of their assets discovered and benchmarked and everything. They like the tool too as well. So I'm still trying to work with the IT enterprise side of the business for them to discover the tool and use it as well. So we can all have one single plane to work together and help solving problems using NetBrain. I think it would help the collaboration among the teams and solve problems as much as we can together instead of pointing fingers. When I first got aboard, I was a little intimidated too as well. But once you get involved, and you get involved with NetBrain University too as well, where you can go in and learn things, it'll help you become more acclimated to what's going on, and it'll be easier for you to learn. Because that's the route I took, and I started doing the power user training and all the different trainings, and it'll help you get going and be a little bit more productive and not be intimidated by all that. I must agree, at the very first beginning when I started, the parsing and everything was tough, but now it's like simple. So it's I just think you get the training on NetBrain University will help you move forward and not be so intimidated.